Write each number in scientific notation. In part A, we have the number 344 billion. That gives 9 zeros in here. Now to write this number in scientific notation, we're going to take the decimal point and move it so there is one digit to the left of that decimal point. So we're going to write this as a 3.44 times 10 to a power. This power corresponds to the number of places that we've moved that decimal point. In this case, that's 3, 6, 9, 10, 11 places. That's a positive 11 because this is a very large number. As we multiply these, that positive 11th power is going to move that decimal point right back to where it was initially. So in scientific notation, this is a 3.44 times 10 to the 11th. Now for part B, to write this in scientific notation, we're going to take this decimal point and move it so that there is one non-zero digit to the left of it. So this will become a 5.57 times 10 to the. Now there are 5 zeros here. I know it's kind of hard to see as we look at this on the board. There are 5 zeros, so this decimal is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. We're going to make that a -6 because this is a very small number. And multiplying these two quantities is going to move that decimal point right back to the left where it was initially. So for part B, this number in scientific notation is 5.57 times 10 to the -6th.